now we are going to learn the concept of tuples in Python. Simply I'm going to make a new file here. I will name it as tuple.python, and after this you can say that you are a Python developer if you learn everything that I teach to you from start to end. After learning these things, that are elif, for loop, Python, and list, main, and sets.py, and tuple, while loops and for loop, whatever I have taught you, after this you can say yourself that you are a Python absolute beginner and you know Python. You can say it anyone to anyone that you are a Python developer. You can write codes in Python. So what I'm going to do, I will make a comment here that tuples in Python. So now what I'm going to do, I will give name to my tuple that this is a tuple. This is a tuple equal to, and after this we have to add these round braces, and here we have to add things like as we did. So I'm just going to copy from the list, or you can copy it from anywhere. I'm just going to copy it from the list, and where is tuple, here is, and I will just paste it here, and I will make a change that I will use our round braces here, and round braces here. Fine. Okay, I'm just going to print the print the tuple. Then I will also show you one more thing in the tuple. Print this is tuple, and here you can see this is our tuple, and you can see this in the terminal section in the output. And one more thing that you have to learn in tuples, that if, for example, if we want to use if condition in tuple, then how we will use if juice, for example, if juice in this tuple is in this tuple, this is tuple, then print yes, there is juice. And let me show you the output. Here you can see, and nothing is changed. I think there is an error. I think I have to remove this print statement, and also this, and let me show you again, and syntax error, and I think I have to add in this stuff. I just forgot about this, and now everything is fine. Now I am just going to compile this again, and now you can see. Okay, let me compile this again. I think it's giving me the error because the spelling of my juice is incorrect, as you can see. Well, incorrect is here, not here. So let me change it. Okay, fine. Let me compile this again, and here you can see it, the output is yes, there is juice. If you add like something that is not available in the tuple, it will say that, okay, let me show you, like things etc. Just add cricket, football, whatever you want. Football, okay, football, I like football. Okay, it will say that it's not available. You also have to write else here, else, and print no, not available. So let's check the output, and it said not available because we have not added football in our tuple. Here you can see not anywhere, so it's sad. So that's why it said not available. So you can also use if statement in this tuple. So guys, I may hope that you guys learn everything that I teach you from start to ending. So now you can say that you are a Python programmer. You can write codes in Python. You can also write your own code in Python and teach others if you learned everything that I teach you. So we will meet again in the next lectures, in the next course. So make sure that you have subscribed my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for me new updates and the new videos. Thank you very much.